Hey, everyone, it's Legacy Leo, and today we're talking about a rebellion, but not the kind you're thinking of. This is a quiet revolution happening in our wallets, our homes, and our minds. It's the Buy Nothing movement, and it's about reclaiming our freedom from the endless cycle of consumerism. It's not about depriving ourselves, but about enriching our lives by choosing what truly matters. Ready to join the rebellion? Let's dive into the 5 things you can stop buying right now to live a richer, more intentional life. First up, let's talk about status symbols. I'm talking about that designer handbag that costs a month's rent, or the luxury watch that tells the same time as your phone. We're often sold the idea that these items will make us look successful or feel important. But let's be real, their value is mostly in the logo. True status isn't about what you own. It's about who you are, the experiences you have, and the relationships you build. Instead of chasing a fleeting image, invest that money and energy into something that genuinely adds value to your life, like a new skill, a memorable trip, or quality time with loved ones. Let's stop buying the illusion of status and start living with real substance. Next on the list, unnecessary gadget upgrades. Every year, tech companies roll out the latest and greatest phone, tablet, or laptop, promising revolutionary features. But think about it, is your current device really obsolete? Does that slightly better camera or faster processor genuinely change your day-to-day life? Often, the answer is no. This constant upgrade cycle is designed to make us feel like we're falling behind, but it's a race with no finish line. Before you jump on the pre-order bandwagon, ask yourself, does my current gadget still do what I need it to do? More often than not, a simple software update or a battery replacement can make your old tech feel brand new. Let's break free from the upgrade treadmill and appreciate the powerful technology we already have. All right, let's get to a big one: frequent food delivery. I know. After a long day, the last thing you want to do is cook. Tapping a few buttons on an app feels like a lifesaver. But that convenience comes at a steep price, not just for your wallet, but for your health and the environment. Delivery fees, tips, and marked-up menu prices add up incredibly fast. Plus, you're dealing with a mountain of packaging and often less than healthy meal choices. I challenge you to try meal prepping. Spend a couple of hours on a Sunday preparing simple, delicious meals for the week. It's a game changer. You'll save a ton of money, eat healthier, and reduce waste. Trading a little bit of convenience for a lot more control over your food and finances is a massive win. Number 4 is a huge one: fast fashion. Those trendy $5 tops and $20 jeans are tempting. I get it. They allow us to constantly refresh our wardrobe without breaking the bank, but the true cost is hidden. Fast fashion is a major polluter, creating immense waste and relying on questionable labor practices. Plus, the quality is often so poor that these items barely last a few washes before they look worn out, trapping you in a cycle of constantly buying more. Instead, let's embrace slow fashion. Invest in high-quality, timeless pieces that you'll love and wear for years. Explore thrift stores and second-hand shops. They're treasure troves of unique, well-made clothing. By curating a wardrobe you truly love, you'll not only look better, but also feel better about your impact on the world. Finally, let's talk about single-use plastics. This is everything from water bottles and coffee cups to plastic bags and cutlery. We use them for a few minutes, and then they stick around for hundreds of years, polluting our oceans and land. It's an addiction to convenience that our planet simply can't sustain. The good news is, this is one of the easiest habits to change. Invest in a reusable water bottle, a travel coffee mug, and a set of cloth shopping bags. Keep a set of reusable cutlery in your car or backpack. These are small, one-time purchases that make a massive difference over time. Every time you refuse a single-use plastic item, you're casting a vote for a cleaner, healthier planet. So there you have it, 5 categories of things to stop buying. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. It's about being mindful and asking one simple question before you buy. Will this truly add value to my life? By shifting our mindset from mindless consumption to mindful living, we not only save money but also create space for what truly matters: experiences, relationships, and personal growth. You have the power to change your life, one purchase at a time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to hear it. See you next time.